Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the second lecture on the subject estimating on the topic rate analysis of RCC. So as you know, in RCC we have the cement concrete and the reinforcement bars. So RCC is reinforced cement concrete. So in the rate analysis of RCC, we will do the rate analysis of the cement concrete along with the reinforcement details. Rate analysis for RCC beam. Now let's directly see this with the help of a numerical. Perform rate analysis for RCC work 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 for beam. This ratio 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. This is given for cement concrete, where 1 is our cement, 1.5 is the fine aggregate and 3 is our coarse aggregate. Now we always take the amount of steel for beam as 2% of the volume of concrete. Now if you have seen my previous lecture, there I have shown how to do the rate analysis for cement concrete. Now the volume of concrete we will take it as 10 meter cube. Now as already it is mentioned here that for reinforcement it is 2% of volume of concrete. So reinforcement will be equal to 2% of volume of concrete. Now volume of concrete we have considered as 10. So 2 by 100 into 10 is 0.2 meter cube. Now if we want to convert it into kg, we'll multiply it by 7850 kg per meter cube, the density of steel. So we'll, the meter cube here and here it will get cancelled. So we'll get it as 1570 kg. Then we'll convert it into quintal by dividing by 100. So dividing this by 100 will get us 15.70 quintal. Now we have considered the volume of concrete as 10 meter cube. Now similarly like the previous one, in my previous video I have shown this. To calculate the dry volume will increase by 52% for filling of voids. So it will be 10 plus 52% of 10. So doing the calculation we'll get this as 15.2 meter cube. Then to calculate the materials, our given proportion is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. As I already mentioned that 1 is cement, 1.5 is fine aggregate and 3 is our coarse aggregate. And our total volume is 15.2 meter cube. So to calculate the amount of cement, we will take the total volume dividing by the sum of the ratios, these three ratios into 1. 1 is this for cement. So we'll get this as 2.76 meter cube. Now for 1 meter cube of cement, we always take it as 30 bags. So for 2.76 meter cube of cement, it will be 30 into 2.76, that is 83 bags. Next we have the fine aggregate. So for fine aggregate again same total volume divided by the sum of the ratios into the sand. So we'll get this as 4.14 meter cube. And for coarse aggregate also same, the total volume divided by the sum of the ratios into 3 is for the coarse aggregate. So we'll get this as 8.29 meter cube. Then we'll find out the amount. So for that this is our table, as I already told you in the previous lecture. The serial number, particulars of items, quantity, rate, amount. The amount is always quantity into rate. Now first we'll do the calculation of the materials. So materials we have cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and reinforcement. Now cement we have 83 bags. So the rate we'll assume as per the market rate. So for cement I have taken rupees 420 per bag. So for 83 bags it will be 83 into 420, that is this. Then for fine aggregate we have the quantity as 4.14 meter cube, and for 1 meter cube we'll take the rate as rupees 1200. So we'll get it as this. Then for coarse aggregate, our quantity is 8.29 meter cube and the rate for 1 meter cube is rupees 2700. So multiplying these two will get this. And for reinforcement, we have the quantity as 15.70 quintal, and for 1 quintal we'll take the rate as rupees 5000. So multiplying these two will get this. Next we'll do the calculation of the labor. Here we have first a head mason, half numbers. That is, one head mason can do the work in half a day and his rate is rupees 500. So multiplying these two will get this amount. Then mason will take it as 2 numbers and the rate for one mason is rupees 450. So multiplying these two will get us 900. Then we have the helper, that is the skilled labor, 10 numbers. So the rate for one is rupees 400. So multiplying these two will get this as 4000. Then we have the ordinary labor, that is the unskilled, 5 numbers. So the rate for one labor is rupees 300. Multiplying these two will get the amount. Then waterman, that is Bisky, will take it as 2 numbers and the rate for one is rupees 350. So multiplying these two will get us 700. Then blacksmith, we have 7 numbers. The rate for 1 is rupees 500. So multiplying these two, we have this. Then for the carpentry work, we have the carpenter and the helper, both 7 numbers, and their rate for the carpenter is rupees 400 for one carpenter, and for one helper the rate is rupees 250. So multiplying these two, we get this, and multiplying these two, we'll get this. Then for the tools and plants, we'll take it as lump sum as 1000. Then we have the scaffolding, that also we take as lump sum as 1000. Now adding all the amount, we will get the total amount as 1,58,111 rupees. Now then we'll do the calculation for the water charge and contractor's profit. So for water charge, we'll take it as 1.5%. So 1.5 by 100 into this total amount, we'll get this as the water charge. And for the contractor's profit, we'll take it as 10% of the total amount. 10 by 100 into total amount, we'll get this. Now for grand total, we'll add the total amount plus the water charge plus the contractor's profit. So total, we'll get this. Now we have done the calculation for 10 meter cube of RCC. So the rate for 10 meter cube of RCC is this. So for 1 meter cube of RCC, the rate will be this rate divided by 10, that is 17,629.38 rupees, which includes our reinforcement and shuttering. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for further notifications.